last video we have discussed the structure of chloroplast, and in this video we will discuss how leaf is adapted for photosynthesis. Let's discuss. Topic is photosynthesis. Okay. For photosynthesis, pigment required is chlorophyll. Right? Chlorophyll is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and the main element of chlorophyll, which is metal, is magnesium. And it is very important question. Name the metal present in chlorophyll is magnesium. Number one. Number two, chlorophyll physically or chemically, if it is consumed during the process of photosynthesis, तो उतना ही वो reform भी हो जाता है. So chlorophyll remain unchanged during the process of photosynthesis. Right? In absence of light, जब light नहीं होती है, then chlorophyll can't synthesize and leaf turns etiolate in a yellow color. That yellow color is due to presence of etiolin pigment, and that leaf is called etiolated leaf. So in absence of light, leaf turns yellow, and this is called etiolated leaf. And pigment is etiolin pigment. Clear? Now, another important question on chlorophyll is why leaf seems green in color? Leaf green क्यों दिखाई देती है? Leaf green इसलिए दिखाई देती है not because of presence of chlorophyll, because it reflects green color. Leaf seems green in color as it reflects green light. And now most important question is, as leaf reflect green light, okay, so is it possible to have photosynthesis in green light? No, photosynthesis is not possible in green light because leaf reflect green light. So generally photosynthesis किसमें होता है? Photosynthesis occur in blue and red light maximum. Green light के अंदर photosynthesis नहीं होगा. Now let's understand how leaf is adapted for photosynthesis. So photosynthesis में सबसे पहले हमने डिस्कस किया क्लोरोफिल की importance. Chlorophyll is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and metal is magnesium. During the process, the amount of chlorophyll remain unchanged. In absence of light, leaf turns yellow, and this kind of leaf is called etiolated leaves, and it is due to presence of etiolin pigment. Leaf green in color as it reflects green light. That's why photosynthesis is not possible in green light. Generally, photosynthesis occurs in blue and red light. Now let's understand how leaf is adapted for photosynthesis. Number one, leaf adaptation for photosynthesis. photosynthesis. Let's understand one by one. Leaves are thin and flat. Now, what is the importance of thin and flat? If it is thin and flat, then it can exchange or diffusion of gases is easier. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Thin, leaf is thin and flat. Hence, diffusion of gases faster, easier. Easily it can trap sunlight. Number 2, leaf is green in color, or it contains chlorophyll which trap sunlight. क्लोरोफिल के पास में प्रोबेबिलिटी है, प्रॉपर्टी है टू ट्रैप सनलाइट. It contains number of stomata. It contains number of stomata. More number of stomata, more exchange of gases. Mesophyll tissue. Now, what is mesophyll tissue? Let's understand. This is epidermis of leaf. Okay. This is endodermis of leaf. So the tissue which is present between epidermis and endodermis of leaf are known as mesophyll tissue. Like in root we have done cortex. Cell between epidermis and endodermis are cortex. But in leaf they are known as mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue is loose and contain chloroplast, where exchange of gases is possible because of loose nature. Contain chloroplast which can trap sunlight, उसकी वजह से भी आसानी से हो सकती है. And last point is thin and flat, leaf is green color. And one more point is, yes, leaf contain spongy tissue where they can hold air. So leaf is adapted in 5 ways. First, thin and flat surface, it increases surface area, so diffusion of gases is easier. Leaf is green in color due to abundant chloroplast. Chlorophyll is there which can trap sunlight. It contains number of stomata, and stomata is present in epidermis of leaf, where exchange of gases is possible. Mesophyll tissue, which is between epidermis and endodermis, it is loose and contain again chloroplast, so there the photosynthesis is possible. And leaf contains spongy tissue where they can hold air. So in next video we will understand the structure of leaf.